It's time for Mechanics Monday! Welcome to my new segment, Mechanic Monday. Every Monday I'll be giving back to you guys by hosting a giveaway. I'll be giving away tools and auto products that I've tested out. And today's giveaway is this 1,000 watt power inverter. Now it might be raining outside, but that isn't going to stop me from giving stuff away and still explaining how things work. Power inverter does one thing. It's a transformer that changes voltage from one to another one that you need. In this case, it takes the 12-volt power of a car battery and transforms it into 120 volts. So it can run power tools or laptop computers. This quality unit has 220 volt receptacles and also 2 USB ports. So you can use it to charge up your phones too in a pinch. Now when you do get a power inverter, you want a good one like this. This one's heavy, a lot of metal in it, and it has 2 cooling fans, one in the front and one in the back. You gotta have that so they don't overheat. Because in the process of transforming electricity to different voltages, there is some heat given off. So you gotta have one that has good cooling units built into it. Now this particular one was 65 bucks. And it's 1,000 watts. You also have to realize your power usage. If you want more, you can get a 1,500 one for like $86. If you're going to use a lot of power, you get a little bit heavier one. You don't want to buy a really cheap one and try to overuse it or it'll melt. Make sure the units are fused. This baby has 4 separate fuses. It's a serious machine. It's not just some piece of junk that's got one little fuse to do the whole thing, which is going to blow all the time. Now most guys, they like portability. So they just get one of these. Use the clamps that go on the battery, and then they can use it whenever they want. And if you're doing serious long-term work, heck, start the car. And then guess what? Your car is now turned into a generating station, and it's making power, and you can run it as long as you want. In this case, the alternator is generating 12 volts. That's charging up the battery. Then the battery's sending 12 volts to the power inverter, which can turn it into 120 volts, and drive all your appliances. This thing's rated high enough, it even runs my electric chainsaw. If you want, you could wire it permanently to the car. It has good connectors here. You would just get wiring and you'd wire negative to the negative battery terminal and positive to the positive battery terminal. Just realize you need to use really thick gauge wiring because there's a lot of power in this. You could wire that right inside the vehicle and then mount it wherever you want. But most guys, they like the portability of having the clamps. Then they can take it wherever they want and run it off of any car or truck battery. And if they need a lot of time, just leave the engine running. As you can see, it's got really nice solid mounting brackets so you can mount it wherever you want. But me, I like the portability of this. I can put it in any car, any trip, anytime I need it. Just clamp it in and away you go. So if you're looking to get 120 volt power out of your car or truck, now you know how an inverter works. And remember, to have a chance to win these tools, just post a nice, clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be picked randomly by a computer. And since entropy is the end state of all matter, that's a fair way to pick a winner. Thanks for watching this video and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.